fire there. Fucking look at her.
Coming in. Yeah.
Yeah. We need to run over there. You ready?
Hold on. He's going to come over, watch.
Cover your balls.
Yeah.
Wait till he comes. Wait till he comes.
Yeah, see his head there. See him. Sorry.
Jeez, where is he? You're firing with that, mate. Fucking hell. He's waiting, isn't he? Now I have to go another way and I'm going to have to get him.
Come over this way. Whereabouts is he?
Top 10. Top 10 and that.
Right. In the doors?
Yeah. He's got a good peek on that. Thing is, I saw one off.
Go on it.
Big yet, Galen.
Oh, he's fucking going on now.
Right in that hallway now. We're all dead.
Is he dead?
Yeah.
No, we are.
Why?
Because I just lobbed a grenade and it bounced off a door frame.
You're not putting from grenades, are you? Go to D1 again.
Are you okay, brother?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Nice ringing here.
We're all dead, by the way.
Heads up, guys.
Even you.
Hey! I'm outside.
Someone who was on the fucking floor.
Oh, D1, we can run straight back down from here.
I think he's he's worse than me. His team killed you.
Yeah.
He killed us all with a grenade.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally. He was in that court, so as soon as you walked down,
He's right
exactly where
there.
you took that grenade.
Right.
Literally, imagine, he's like that.
Right. We'll have him now.
I should have picked it up and fucking lobbed it through the door.
You should have put it up against the door and then
Is it this front window dibs?
Yeah. Shit going on in there, over there. One of our team's in there.
Hey?
One of our team's just in there.
Hit! Oh, okay. Fucking hell.
Revive it.
Yeah, just do me now, it's fine. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's right.
Are they in there still?
Yeah.
It landed in between his legs. So he was like,
I'm just going to have to fucking go in.
Are they sending their bikes around? What we need.
Nope.
I've got a ban.
Well, that's just running in. There's enough of us, isn't there?
If you all just go in with pistols and just spray them, I would have found it.
Yep, go on
I
then.
think you'll be alright. I might take this off and just run in with my pistol.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Right, I'm putting this against the wall down there.
Yeah, yeah.
That is nice. What is it?
Vorsk.
Right,
Right, run in.
quickly running down
You coming,
there.
Az?
I need to put this away.
Yep.
Putting this away.
stay there, lads.
Right, hold on, hold on.
Go,
Ready?
in, go.
Did he get you?
He's taking you there.
Down that corner.
I'm going to get caught by that fucker again. That was no kill. Yeah, but it's suppressed, isn't it?
This doorway to the right. As you go in, it's to the right.
Oh.
Get Shane.
Yellows, if you're dead and there's no more yellows in there, come out the building.
Coming through. Got you, Shane. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back in. Is that in there? Right.
Oh, yeah. Reds! Colour! No one there.
There's red down there.
Red!
Hit. Twat. Red medic. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
More reds going in.
Yeah, there on that side. Don't shoot across. What's on there?
Where from?
Down there to the bottom.
Whoa.
2, 3. I see him.
Is that it, Gary?
Yeah. By the time I realised I was being hit, it was
Yep. 6, 7, 9, 10. Medic. 1, 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
He's in that corner, isn't he? He's it.
Whoever shot me in the back.
Oh, hit in the knackers. I'm
What's up
bleeding
behind?
out.
Oh, I know you went. Oh, tell me that.
What, he's still down there?
He's at the end.
I know.
Yeah, I see him. Hit!
1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4,
Dead man coming out!
7, 8, 9.
Hit! Hit!
Oh, hit!
Going.
Come round the squidgy bit.
No, if you should get it round your ankles and that.
Nick, they're down the side of the building.
Down the side.
I think there's 1 or 2 in the building.
Call it. Yeah, we're at.
Has he gone down the end?
No.
No. He's in the doorway. There's a guy in the doorway and he's blue.
Be careful, because someone.
Is that one down the right there?
Doorway there was over there.
No, that's just the flap going in the wind. In this door here on the left,
Oh, I see.
there's a guy in there. Storm it whilst nothing's coming up.
Yeah.
Down by the A-bells.
No, that's just the flap blowing in the wind.
That got
that
me
is.
as well.
There is definitely,
Oh yeah, it's flat.
there's definitely someone in that door.
Close that one. There we are. Just behind that door there. Man, I'm gonna fucking.
Yeah, chuck that and then we'll rush it.
Yeah, excuse me.
As soon as it goes off, run in.
Do you know where the small room is? To the left. The small room to the left in the corridor. He's in there. He's in that small room down there. I saw him running there.
Through that.
He's in that.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tell you that's not 3 seconds.
Is he down the corridor?
No, he's in the. Yeah, the.
Yeah. see for that.
Killed me.
Fucking hell.
Fucking trapped in.
Just got the double shot on.
He's dead.
He is in.
Behind that door.
I can't
Which
fucking
door?
snipe this close to the building.
That one. We could move back. Hey, you what, mate?
I can't snipe this close to the building. And I can't see anything from here.
Hit! Oh,
Hit!
in the chin. Hit!
That was a ricochet. It bounced off you and hit me in the glass.
The one that Nathan actually bounced off.
He's down there at the end. Fucking chin.
Drag knife.
Who's that at the end?
Yeah. Yeah.
Boys. Boys.
He's the chin fucker. Yeah, man.
Oh, nice.
You need to move forward, Dan, or drop down.